Hi. Are you also waiting for a cab?
Yes. My cab is late today.
Mine too. I booked it 10 minutes ago.
Maybe the driver is nearby.
I hope so. I need to arrive on time.
Same here. I don't want to be late today.
Did you get the driver's number?
Yes, but he is not picking up the call.
Oh, that happens sometimes. Let me recheck my app.
Okay. What does it say?
It says, driver arriving in 5 minutes.
Nice. Mine shows 8 minutes.
Maybe traffic is heavy this morning.
Yes, the roads looked busy.
Which cab did you book?
I booked a mini cab. You?
I booked an auto. It was cheaper.
That's smart. Autos come faster sometimes than us. Oh, where are you going today?
I'm going to the office. What about you?
I have a meeting in the city.
Oh, nice. Important meeting?
Yes, a little important. I hope I arrive on time.
Don't worry, your cab will come soon.
I hope so. Do you take a cab every day?
Sometimes. If I wake up late, I book a cab.
Same. Cab is the rescue plan.
True. Very helpful on busy days.
Oh no, my driver canceled the ride.
Oh no. What will you do now?
I will book again. Let me try.
Check if another driver is nearby.
Yes. Okay, I got a new driver.
Great. How long?
It says 4 minutes.
That's fast.
Yes, I hope he doesn't cancel again.
Sometimes it happens. But most drivers are good.
Yes, true.
I think my cab is here.
Yes, is that your number plate?
Let me check. Yes, that's mine.
Good. Now you will reach early.
Yes. What about your cab?
Mine is 3 minutes away. I will wait here.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too. Safe travel.